colors. Get the purple one. Pink purple. Pink. Yay! Next. Color pink. Pink. Where's the color pink? Very good. Next. Green. Big. Color green. Next. Color red. Yellow. Big. Color yellow. Very good. Next, about purple. Purple. Next, yellow. Oh, yellow. Orange. Color orange. 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 Orange one. Orange. Good. Next, yellow. Careful. Red. Color red. Last one. Green. Yay! Good job. High five. Ate, come on. Come on. Go, you can do it. Go right there. Go, Vincent. Go. Go.
this? It's a rainbow. We're gonna make a rainbow, okay? Color pink. Next, get the color. Where's the color red? Red. Color red first. Color red. Where's the color red? Red. Red. Okay, next, orange. Which one is orange? Orange. Okay, very good. Next, yellow. Uh-oh, yellow first. Yellow. Get the yellow one. Yellow muna. Yellow. Which one? Yellow. Oh, fix mo. Next, color green. Green. Very good. Oopsie. Oh, fix the yellow one. Yellow. Wait. This one first. This one's yellow. Slowly. Next, color green. And next one, blue. Slowly. Sige, go. And then last color, purple. Very good. Sige, go. You can do it. Come on. Go, ate. Try again. Yun. Wow, it's a rainbow. Very good. High five. Wow, cones. Get number 1. Where's number 1? 1. Where's number 1, ate? 1. Where's number 1? Get number 1. Good. Very good. Come on, put it here. Ate, here. Come on. Get number 1. Get. Stand up. Get number 1. 1. Next, number 2. Where's number 2? Where's number 2? Where's number 2? Where's number 2? Why? What are you? 1, 2. Shoot. Next, number 3. Number 3. Get number 3. Shoot it here. Ate, look. Ate, I'm here. I'm here. Ate, look here. Number 3. Shoot. Next, number 4. Where's number 4? Ate, where's number 4? Get number 4. 4. Right here, number 4. Okay, shoot here. Get number 4. And here, number 4. Next, number 5. Where's number 5? Where's number 5? Number 5. And shoot. 5. Next, number 6. Let's go to number 6. Number 6. Come on. Very good. Next, 7. Where's number 7? There you go. Yay. Next, 8. 8. And number 9. Last one. Yes, high five. High five. Wow, shapes. Waiting hands for teacher, okay? Wait, Ate Hazen. Wait hands. Oh, waiting hands, please. Thank you. What are these? Shapes. Very good. What shape is this? Circle. Where's the circle? Next, how about this one? Triangle. Look for the triangle. Where's the triangle? There you go. Next, square. Look for the square. Oopsie, where's the square? Ayun. How about this one? Rectangle. Where is it? There you go. Next. What shape is this? Oval. Next, diamond. It's diamond. Next one, rectangle. Fix the rectangle. There you go. Next, circle. Square. Very good. Next one. Are you sure? Sit down. Sit down, everyone. Sandwich. Sit down, sit down. Sit down, please. Triangle. Where's the triangle? Triangle. Uh-oh. Where are you, triangle? Where are you, triangle? Where's the triangle? Triangle. Here, ate. Next. Circle. Oval. Oval. Oh, where's the oval? Next. Diamond. Very good. Another one. Diamond. Yes. Go, ate. You know you can fix it. Hold it like this. Temperature. Okay, next. Oval. Triangle. Where's the triangle? Oh no, where is it? Yun. Next, square. Dali na dun. Circle. Where are you, circle? Very good. Next, rectangle. Hindi ako na. Wala ako. Triangle. Last triangle. Oh no, where's the color green? Triangle. Oval. And last one. Yay! Give teacher a high five. High five. Very. What is this? Sea animals. Waiting hands. May tissue ka dyan. May tissue. Wait hands. Okay. What is this? Hi, penguin. Oh, you fix the penguin, okay? Hi, penguin. Go put it together. Put mo together this one. Penguin's head and then feet. Go, ate, you can do it. Sige, go. Di mo tapos po, oh. Fix mo again. Wait hands. Want to wait hands? Slide. Yun. It's a penguin. Hi, penguin. Next, how about this one? What is this? Turtle. You fix the turtle. Turtle. Like this po. Lupag mo. Ayun, this one. Ate, you can do it. Yun, very good. Hi, turtle. Next, how about this one? What is this? Whale. It's a whale. Go fix the whale. Fix mo this one. Here, put it together. Eyes. The eyes of the whale. Next. Put it like this. Hold it and put. Slide. Slide mo po. Yun. Very good. Next one. Tail. There you go. Whale. Oh, sorry. Next, how about the octopus? Hi, octopus. Pink octopus. Put together. Very good. Next one. Okay, go. This one. Okay, next. Yes, octopus. Very good. Last one. It's a crab. Say hello to the crab. Hi, crab. Put together, crab. Like this, oh. Dito po, eyes. Okay, next one. Here. Sige, go. Put po. Slide here. Yan. Next one. Crab. Here po. Dito po ate, oh. Ate, let's try again. Hold this one. Put it here. Slide mo po. Slide. Okay, next one. Here you go. Put, slide. Put. Okay. Next. Last one. Slide. Ate, slide mo po. Next is our teacher. Slide. Slowly. Yun. Wow. What is this? Crab. This one? Octopus. Whale. Next. What's this? Turtle and